OffGriddy had moderate activity over the past 24 hours with new bookings, support requests, and directory submissions. 4 new bookings were added to the calendar, with 4 meetings scheduled for the next 7 days. The next meeting is with James Tomic on June 15, 2026 at 9:30 a.m. Recent guests include James Tomic, Sarah McKinley, Sandra Smith, and Vivian Gomez. 1 new support ticket was opened. There is currently 1 ticket open regarding a dark background on the LiDAR scan page. 6 new subscribers joined, contributing $11.94 Canadian cents. The service has 26 active members total with a monthly recurring revenue of $51.74 Canadian cents. 25 new directory submissions came in and were all auto-approved. The submissions span farm, contractor, and other categories.